Hey there, Matt here again, and I wanted to show you our 3000W Mulcher package. Now, until now, you probably had to use contractors or mulchers were on posi track loaders and they were super expensive. You can get the benefit now of a versatile machine, so you can have the 3000W, you can have your GP bucket, you can have a set of forks, and you can have your 4-in-1 bucket. And then on top of that, you can have the mulcher as well. Now this mulcher is just an addition to the standard package, okay? Obviously the width of the machine, like it's a super powerful thing. Just picture this, right? Let's say you've got a couple acres of land you want to clear and you've gone through and you go, okay, cool, I just want to clear around, leave the big trees. I'll turn those big trees into fence posts or whatever. I'll get a guy come in and chop them up and turn a fence post for us. Use this, drive through, clear over everything else. You've got your 4-in-1 bucket if you want to push stuff out of the way. You've got your GP bucket if you want to push stuff out of the way. You got some big trees that are in the way. You got your forks, you can knock them down, get the forks and pick them up and move them, put them all in the pile. This machine will do the whole thing. Now, the Godzilla loader, the normal price is below, and then you add this on top of it. It adds roughly about 25 to it, plus your GST. So a little bit of cost, but you gotta remember, you're paying big dollars if you ever got a contractor to come in just because they got one of these. And this machine will pretty much go wherever a posi truck will go. If it can't, it's got the buckets on the front so it can clear its way in anyway. So if you're interested in one of these, they're very straightforward. If you come a little bit closer, it's all hooked on through its quick release fittings. It's got your quick hits there, so it comes on and off easily. It's a matter of just adding it to your package and we can include it. And or you might want to have a complete standalone business. Remember, in this machine, if you put it on the back of a reasonable size rigid truck, it's still underneath weight and you can drive it on and off, and you can just have this as your business and you're not spending huge dollars. Anyway, if you're interested, contact details below, pick up the phone, have a chat. We can add this to the package if you only want this. Only you can have this with the machine as well. Looking forward to helping you.